Did you know that during World War II, the United States made a deal with some of the most evil scientists in history? In occupied Manchuria, a Japanese unit called 731 ran a massive biological warfare lab. But this wasn't just research. They performed live surgery on prisoners without any painkillers. They infected children with plague and cholera just to watch them die. They froze people's limbs solid, then thawed them to study frostbite. They locked victims in pressure chambers until their eyes popped out. Over 10,000 innocent people were tortured to death in these experiments. The man in charge was microbiologist Shiro Ishii. He treated human beings like lab rats. When Japan surrendered, you'd expect these monsters to face justice at war crimes trials. Instead, America made a secret deal. The US gave complete immunity to every Unit 731 scientist in exchange for their research data. These war criminals went on to have successful careers in medicine and universities. Their victims were forgotten. Justice was never served. Some evils are too profitable to punish.